Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Soupy Yippee. We'll cover everything from gathering your ingredients to the final delicious serving. First, we'll look at what you need, then move on to the simple cooking steps. Finally, I'll show you how to combine it all for a perfect, comforting meal. It's a quick and satisfying dish you'll love. Let's start by gathering our ingredients. You'll need 1 packet of your favorite instant noodles, along with its seasoning. Grab about 1 cup of mixed vegetables, fresh or frozen, like peas and carrots. Also, have 1 tablespoon of cooking oil and 2 cups of water or broth ready. These simple items are all you need for a tasty meal. Now let's get cooking. First, bring 2 cups of water to a boil in a small pot. Once boiling, add the instant noodles and cook them for about 2 minutes, gently separating them. Next, stir in the seasoning packet from your noodles and your prepared mixed vegetables. Let it all simmer together for 1 more minute, ensuring everything is heated through. Your Soupy Yippee is almost ready. Carefully pour the hot, delicious soup into your favorite bowl. If you like, you can add a garnish of fresh herbs, like cilantro or green onions, for extra flavor and color. Serve it immediately while it's warm and comforting. Enjoy your quick, easy, and satisfying homemade Soupy Yippee.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.